So today we're going to learn about errors and exceptions in Python. So this is basically a statement that we can use it for catching any error message, and also try to use it for more safety features that we can use it from Python. So it's really good for catching error message. So let's try and see how the challenge wants us to do. So we see that there is divisions with a numerator and denominator. Input right here will be the how many operations that we want, and we will receiving a different type of numbers that we can divide. And if the denominator is invalid, then we will just return error message and something like this. Okay, let's try implement this. Okay, so we don't need to basically access any library, so we will just say so for in and then range int and then input, that will be our for loop, how many operations that we want. After that, we're going to get the numerator and denominator, and that will be input dot split, and that will split the string into 2 using a space delimiter, and then it will give us a strings of numerator and denominator. And then we will use the try method down here, and we will print if it's divisible by a denominator. So we will have to convert both of them in integers, and after that we will use / for integer division, and int and then denominator. So if this fails, so exceptions will happen, and that will be value error as e, and then we will print the error message. So this will be error code, and then we will have e, and after that we will have exceptions, and that will be same principle, same message, kind of same, but so this is basically what we want. And then we have 0 division error, so we'll name that Z, and we will say Z right here. Okay, so this is the solutions, and let's try and see if it's possible doing this way. So yeah, it works. So there you go, as we expected. This right here in the given is divided by float, but the answer wants us to get it in integer. So yeah. Oh, there you go. There's a hint right here.